Hi there. Today I'm showing Tabularium AI Lens, an intelligent TIFF document workspace that runs directly in the browser. TIFF is the standard format across records-heavy industries, from official records to insurance, healthcare, and enterprise document management. But unlike PNG, JPEG, or PDF, TIFF is not natively supported by modern browsers. That forces platforms to build and maintain backend conversion infrastructure just to make TIFF documents usable in the browser, adding server cost, processing latency, and operational complexity before any real document intelligence work begins. The idea behind Tabularium AI Lens is simple. Keep TIFF as the original source image, remove the backend burden of viewing and working with it, and turn it into a live browser workspace, searchable, extendable, interactive, and fully manageable with Tabularium AI intelligence. Let's see it in practice. First, I load a TIFF document. The viewer renders the original image directly in the browser with page navigation, zoom, and direct review of the source document. But the important part is the intelligence layer. Lens receives AI metadata from Tabularium AI services and anchors that intelligence back onto the TIFF image. So when I select an indexed value, for example, a notary field or party name, the viewer highlights the exact text on the image along with the related paragraph or visual area. That is the real difference. Users can verify each index against the original document context that gives it meaning. Next, I search inside the document. Lens finds the matching result and highlights it directly on the TIFF. The user can also double-click a word or select multiple words from the image. The selected text can be copied to the clipboard or returned through the API with its paragraph as context. For document workflows, Lens also supports browser-native document assembly. Users can start with a loaded TIFF, add pages from another document, rearrange or remove pages, and generate a clean multi-page TIFF, all inside the same browser workspace. The final TIFF can be generated with the required diff, compression, and color settings to match the downstream system. What you just saw is not just a TIFF viewer. It is a platform upgrade for systems where TIFF is handled entirely in the backend. When TIFF is trapped in the backend, every document action becomes infrastructure, process, and wait. Lens moves that experience into the browser, so the original image becomes part of the product, not a backend workload. When intelligence needs source context, Lens keeps indexed values tied to the source image. That makes the document, the data, and the user action feel connected in one workspace. And when assembly is a backend burden, Lens makes page work feel native. Users can add, reorder, and merge pages in browser without leaving the workflow. That is the value of Tabularium AI Lens. Keep TIFF, remove the burden, and turn the browser into the workspace. These capabilities map directly to real platform workflows. For e-recording, users can assemble a submission-ready document from multiple scans, exhibits, or uploaded files, then use Tabularium AI intelligence to catch and fix issues before submission, while corrections are still easy. For recording, indexing, and redaction workflows, reviewers can inspect indexes and redaction targets in their original document context, tied directly to the source image area that produced them, then use Tabularium AI intelligence to enhance, redact, or endorse documents. For public search and title research, users can go beyond static index fields. They can search inside the document, review source context, and select and copy information directly from the image, or use Tabularium AI intelligence to chain and analyze title. The same model applies beyond official records, insurance, healthcare, legal, and enterprise platforms can turn TIFF into an interactive browser workspace. For platform owners, the result is clear: less image processing overhead, fewer backend moving parts, and a modern document experience on top of the TIFF workflows they already have. Please visit our website or contact us directly for a walkthrough of Tabularium AI Lens. Thank you for your time.